Lake Superior, Porcupine Mountains, a lake in the mountains, ATV trails, rivers, waterfalls, hiking. Wait, what? Hey everybody, welcome to the channel RV'n and ATV'n, and I'm Dave. This is going to be a series of videos of our second trip to Michigan's Upper Peninsula. We start off in western UP in Ontonagon. It's an amazing, beautiful place with so much to see and do. There's the Porcupine Mountains, Lake of the Clouds, Lake Superior, rivers, waterfalls, hiking, ATV trails, and a lot more. Unfortunately, we only had a few days to explore this beautiful place, so we're going to get right into it with part one, the Porcupine Mountains. But before we do, if you take a second to subscribe, like, and share, we'd greatly appreciate it. Now on with the video. We arrived at River Road RV Park and Campground in the afternoon. We set up camp, got some food, got some firewood, and just kind of chilled for our first day there. Day two, we made the short drive to explore the Porcupine Mountains. It was a nice scenic drive along Lake Superior. First up, we headed to the Lake of the Clouds overlook. It was a short hike to a spectacular view. The lake is situated between two ridges surrounded by wilderness and vistas. The lake is fed from the east end by the Carp River Inlet, and the outflow from the western end is the Carp River, which empties into Lake Superior. And of course, this is Charlie being Charlie.
Down to one mud hole. Look.
We left the overlook and hiked on back to the truck. We drove on through the Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park to find some hiking trails that led us to some waterfalls. Now, Sharon assured me that these weren't very long hikes to get to the waterfalls. Charlie and Mo, they just love to swim, and I'm sure it won't be long before they find a place to get in that water. And it didn't take long. There are maps to get you to the trailheads and to the trails, and to show you where the waterfalls are as well. There's also a couple places where you can actually get up on top of the waterfall. This is the three of them waiting on me and reassuring me that we don't have much further. After several hours of making it up the home stretch, I had to have Mo help me up this hill. I think Sharon was actually trying to kill me, but she planned on using this shovel to bury me right there. Sharon made me go on a 30-mile hike, and I'm battered and bruised. She said it was a mile. I think it was 30 miles. But I can hardly walk. I got bunions, and I think I broke my arm. I didn't even fall, it's just broke. Oh, wait. I think there she is. Oh yeah, hi. So after about a 30-mile hike, uphill both ways, we jumped in the truck and we headed on back to camp. What a great day, in spite of Sharon trying to kill me. But the Porcupine Mountains, Lake of the Clouds, we hiked 3 different trails to 3 different waterfalls, just absolutely amazing. We plan on making a trip sometime in the fall because it just has to be breathtaking. So now it's time for a white dog rating. I believe we give this trail 2 white dogs and a happy mommy, and lots of mosquitoes. And there's the happy mommy. For Sharon, Mo, and Charlie, I'm Dave, and thanks for watching.